Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hi, I'm Amber. Nice to meet you. I don't think I ever said my name, but hi, my name is Amber. Go ahead and subscribe if you like locks, vlogs, and lifestyle type videos. And also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified for every time I post. And also feel free to, follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat and also my TikTok. I'm more active over there than I am up here. So if you want, more of me or whatever, feel free to check out my socials. I'll link everything, in the description below. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about my stretched ears, specifically my plugs and my tunnels. For those who don't know or who are new to my channel, I do have stretched ears. And I've been stretching my ears since, I want to say November of 2019. So it's been 2 years since I've been stretching my ears. They're still a small size, I don't plan to go huge. So the reason why I'm making this video now is because I'm currently at a 0 gauge, which was my goal size. And I say was because I am currently stretching up this ear. Well, it will be both ears soon. I'm currently stretching up because I have a new goal size, and I will be talking about that towards the end of the video. So because I have stretched up this ear, I wanted to go ahead and make this video before I stretch up this ear because I wanted to be able to fit all my plugs and tunnels anymore. I couldn't show you guys, So this ear is currently still at a 0 gauge, which is a 8mm. And this ear is at a 00 gauge, 9mm. Technically, 00 is 10mm, but because I'm dead stretching, meaning I'm not using any taping or tapers, I'm just going up slowly so I don't damage my ears. After this size, I'll be stretching up. But I do plan, once I get this ear to a 9mm, I do plan to start, recording myself stretching up until I get to my goal size, which is not too big. And again, we'll talk more about it later. Once I get this ear to this size, I'm gonna let it, heal, do what it gotta do, ride out for a little bit, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys me stretching up to a 10mm. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. I'm going to be showing you guys my little mini collection of my 0 gauge plugs and tunnels. And to start off, I don't have a lot. I keep my plugs and tunnels in this little storage box. Just something I got from Walmart, something small. It's a good thing I didn't get so many because eventually, stretching up, I wouldn't be able to fit these anymore, so yeah. But they are good to have in case I do decide to stretch back down, but I don't plan on it. So we're just gonna get right into it. First off, disclaimer, some people don't like body modification stretch ears, so if you're watching this video and you don't like it, I don't know why. So yeah, please be respectful in the comments. If you like stretch ears, cool, show love, all that good stuff. But yeah, we don't spread hate on this channel. All love, all good vibes. 2, I will be changing out my plugs, so my ear may get red because of just switching out, but they're fine, all that stuff. I don't plan to put in each pair because I don't want my ear to get too irritated, so I'm just gonna be putting in like my favorites. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so starting off with these eyelets or tunnels. These are just some regular stainless steel tunnels. These are the tunnels I use to stretch with. So before I got to this size, I was stretching up with stainless steel tunnels along with stainless steel tapers. So I'll make a video on how I stretch my ears and a little bit more in depth of just about my stretch ears in general. But yeah, so these are just like trusty dusties, I do plan to get a pair of just regular stainless steel eyelets / tunnels when I get to my new goal size. But yeah, so just basic moving on, I'm going to be showing you guys the stone plugs that I got from Amazon. Oh yeah, and I also got my stainless steel stretching kit from Amazon. So if you are interested in stretching your ears, I recommend looking there. Of course, you know, go to Stretch Ear website, piercing shop website. They will have, you know, stretching supplies for you, but I got mine on Amazon for a good price. So yeah, I got all these stone plugs in a set. It came with 6 pairs of plugs. So right now I'm currently wearing black stone plugs, which are the black obsidian, I want to say, stone plugs. So that's how it looks in my ear. Yeah, so, and this is the wearable of it. So yeah, it's a good size. It's good just to have like some plain black plugs. So yeah, so those are the black ones. Then we have the green aventurine plugs. They're so pretty. They match my nails right now. So yeah, they're really pretty. These are one of my favorite plugs. I don't wear it as often as I used to, but I love the color of them. They're so pretty. So yeah, look in the sun. Yeah, so those are that. Green aventurine. Next, we have rose quartz plugs, and these have to be one of my favorite plugs ever. I've been wanting rose quartz plugs ever since I've started stretching. These are definitely a must-have in my collection. Like, it's just a nice pinky color. So pretty. Yeah. Next we have tiger's eye plugs. These are another pretty pair of plugs. They're like a nice brownish. It's like, they look kind of like, I don't know. It's like, you see what I'm saying? You see what I mean? It's very pretty, like, especially in the sunlight, it turns color. Like, turns to like different browns when the light hits it. It's just a pretty stone. Yeah, and it kind of matches my hair a little bit, just a little bit. But yeah, these are tiger's eye plugs. Next, we have another one of my favorite plugs ever. These opalite plugs. Like, oh my goodness. Do y'all see these? They're so pretty. Like, they're a must-have in my collection as well. They're so pretty. Like, they're like a milky blue color, but when it hits sunlight, it gets like a golden amber type color, almost like matching my citrine ring right here. But yeah, it's so pretty. Like, these are my favorites out of the whole stone collection. I would say the opalites are my favorites. So yeah. And lastly, out of the set, we have amethyst, and amethyst is one of my favorite crystals. For those who know me personally, know that I love amethyst. Purple one is my favorite color, and just the calming, you know, effects that amethyst has on you. You know, helps you with sleeping, helps you with anxiety, all that stuff, and it's just a peaceful color. Yeah, amethyst. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys my more like fancier plugs. I have 3, technically 4 plugs I'm about to show you guys. They are like threaded tunnels. So I think these are externally threaded tunnels. So these are what these look like. They're just rhinestone tunnels, stainless steel, and yeah, they're so pretty. They're like they're like a fancier type of tunnel, and they're screw backs. So this is how the backing looks. You just screw it on once you put it in your ear, and you just, sorry my nails are in the way, and you just screw it on, you know, like that. And then I have another pair in black that I got from DC. If you saw my DC vlog, I showed you guys that. So these are these, and these are really pretty. They'll actually match this outfit. I think I'm gonna get these in my next goal size too, because I just feel like having black plugs they're just good to have, you know? They go with everything. Yeah, so these are those. Then I have some more threaded screw back plugs. So these are more like stud looking plugs if you want to get away with like trying to hide your stretch ears. These are good to have because when you put them in, they'll look like, you know, just regular studs. I think it's pretty. Then I also have a pair in gold, which I haven't worn that much yet. So yeah. I think I'm gonna just get a pair in silver and gold in my next full size. So those are all the screw plugs, and then my last pair of plugs that I have are these cool Rick and Morty acrylic plugs that I got from DC. And they're so cool. Again, I will be showing you a close-up. So yo, I'm sorry if the camera angle is different or something, but I just had a really bad scare. Oh my gosh, my camera just went off, stopped recording, and then the footage was gone. I was just, ugh. But luckily, you're watching this video, so everything's fine. I just, whew, sorry. But anyways, back to the plugs. So these Rick and Morty plugs are really cool. Show you guys a close-up, of course. And these two are, you know, threaded screw back plugs. Yeah, that's gonna be all for my little plug and tunnel collection. Oh, it's something small, but I really wanted to make this video before, you know, I stretch up to the next size. So yeah. And so now I want to talk a little bit more about my new goal size and me stretching up again. So the stretching kit I got from Amazon, the stainless steel stretching kit, was only sized from a 14 gauge to a 00 gauge, and I'm going past a 00 gauge, so I had to order some new plugs for, you know, to size up. And I got some plugs from Body Art Forms. It's the cool box it came in. So my new goal size is going to be a 1/2 inch, which is 12.7 millimeter. But these, their plug for a 1/2 inch is 12.5 millimeter, which is like, you know, 2 millimeters less, but you know, not a big deal. So I had to buy the 9 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 00, 11 millimeter, which is 7/16, 12 millimeter, and lastly the 1/2 inch, which is 12.5 millimeter. And I'll be showing you guys those now. So you open the box. It's cute. When I first opened it, it was like, oh wow, you know, purple packaging. We love purple here. And they have their Body Art Form sticker. And you open it up, and you have your paperwork here. And then you get all your, you know, supplies and goodies. So I have all the pairs of plugs that I need from a 9 millimeter to a 1/2 inch. I also asked for some extra O-rings because you never know. And I actually ended up needing to use an extra O-ring for this one because I don't know how the O-ring it came with fell out, but I'm just glad I got extras. They also come with a little card, which is actually a sizing card. So it tells you, you know, what sizes you need to move up to. Having your gauge sizes at the bottom. You have your plugs over here. Even like for septum rings and like hoops and stuff like that. Also have the option to get a cute sticker. I got this color right here. It's cute. I can put on my laptop or something. So again, currently I have the 9 millimeter in my ear. So this is the package it came in. It's a little beat up because I've been opening it, but yeah. This is the 9 millimeter. That's how that looks. And I'm gonna show you a size comparison between the 8 millimeter and the 9 millimeter. I'll use the other black plug. So this is the 9 millimeter. This is the 8. So you can see a little size difference there. In between sizes are definitely helpful when, you know, sizing up so you don't damage your ears or nothing like that. So I'm actually not gonna open up each one just for sanitary purposes. When I do my stretching videos, I'll do the size comparisons that way. So yeah, just trying to keep things nice and sanitary and clean. And then the next size we have is 10mm 00 gauge. That's just a little character, but it's how it looks in the back. So you see the size right there. 10mm. Then next 7/16. The O-rings included. Next 12mm. And then lastly, the final size is 1/2 inch. And I know for sure I'll be satisfied there. I don't plan to go no bigger than that. So yeah, 1/2 inch is the goal. And I'm excited because I just know like that's gonna be it. Even though I say that now, but honest and truly, I feel like that's gonna be it. 1/2 inch is a good size. I feel like a lot of jewelry comes in that size where it's 1/2 inch can be the largest you can go for a plus size, or it's the smallest you can go. But I'll do a separate video on my opinions of 1/2 inch size and why I think it's good for me. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. It helps the channel a lot. It helps me a lot. We're literally almost halfway at our goal of 100 subscribers. I did not expect to get there that soon. Gosh, you guys don't understand how thankful I am. Like, this is just fun for me. You know, I'm having fun, like, watching YouTube videos for so long, seeing how people just share, you know, their creativity, being themselves. You know, I've always wanted to do that. So thank you for allowing me, you know, the opportunity to do that, you know, for, you know, showing me the support and love. And I'm just so grateful. But yeah, please share, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And also feel free to ask me any questions down below about my stretched ears, about stretched ears in general. I'm not a piercer by any means, not a professional. So I'm just going to be giving you my experience, my knowledge on, you know, what I've learned throughout the 2 years of stretching. The most important thing I can say is patience, patience, patience. Just like a lock journey, stretching your ears requires patience as well. As much as we want to get to our end goal, we have to be patient, listen to our body, and just trust the process, you know? But on that note, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.